Pambato ng Bulacan na si Chelsea Manalo, nanalong Miss Universe Philippines 2024. Tuhayan sa report.
Our Miss Universe Philippines 2024 is Bulacan!
Si Chelsea Manalo na pambato ng Bulacan ang bagong Miss Universe Philippines. Kinoronahan siya ni Miss Universe Philippines 2023, Michelle D. First runner-up si Stacy Gabriel ng Cainta. Si Atisa Manalo ng Quezon Province ang second runner-up. From Baguio si third runner-up Tara Valencia at fourth runner-up si Cristelyn McGarry ng Taguig. Alay raw ni Chelsea ang pagkapanalo sa kanyang mga magulang na tumulong at sumuporta sa kanyang pageant journey.
When they announced my city, my province, I instantly thought about my parents. I know that this was not just my dream, but also their dream to be Miss Universe Philippines. I always have this dream of actually looking at myself in the mirror of wearing that sash and that crown. So when they announced my province, I couldn't feel anything, like literally, and I'm really happy to be here.
Half-American si Chelsea. Humanaw na raw ang kanyang ama at lumaki siya sa kanyang stepfather. Ilan sa highlights ng Coronation Night ang opening number ng mga kandidata kasama si Miss Universe Philippines 2023 Michelle D. at ang kabugera performance ng drag queen na si Marina Summers sa swimsuit competition. Inirampa ng top 20 candidates ang kanilang metallic copper swimwear sabay sa performance ng OPM band na Lola Amor. Poise and Grace naman ang pinamalas ng top 10 sa evening gown competition habang hinaharana ni Thai actor Win Metawin. Sa mga gustong balikan ang highlights ng Miss Universe Coronation Night, mapapanood this Sunday, May 26 ang delayed telecast sa Kapuso Network, 9 a.m. nationwide at 9:45 a.m. sa Central at Eastern Visayas. Joanne Punsoy, One North Central Luzon.